In our smart homes, hidden intelligence keeps our spaces clean. Before the floors shine and the dust disappears, a complex symphony of sensors and mechanics must come together. This is the unseen assembly of a robotic vacuum cleaner. Every intelligent device begins with its brain. First, we install the main logic board, the central nervous system. This intricate PCB houses the processors and memory that will guide every movement and decision the vacuum makes. Next, we integrate the propulsion system, the precision drive wheels and their individual motors. These robust components enable the vacuum to navigate your home with agility, tackling different floor types and obstacles with ease. Now for its senses. A sophisticated array of sensors, including cliff sensors, bumper sensors, and advanced mapping technology like LiDAR, are carefully integrated. These are the eyes and ears, allowing it to perceive its environment, avoid falls, and build an intelligent map of your space. With intelligence and mobility in place, we add the cleaning mechanism. The powerful main brush roll and agile side brushes are installed, ready to agitate and sweep debris. The dustbin is then locked into position, prepared to capture every particle. The final touch. The sleek outer shell is secured, giving the vacuum its signature aesthetic. We activate the system, and it comes to life, a silent, efficient partner, ready to navigate and clean your home with precision. The assembly is complete, the future of cleaning is here. We've built a tiny marvel of automation. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.